I'm currently restoring this transistor. I think it's a PA 113 FM. I'm looking for a diagram because it looks like it's got a second tuning capacitor there with a dial cord, which I've got here, but I'm not sure how to what the diagram is. I mean, there's two pulleys down there. This is what tunes it. I think it goes around that pulley, around this one, back over to there. So if anybody's thrown any light on that would be great. I mean, it's in a bit of a mess. I got it from the car boot some time back, and I've only just got around to it. I mean, the battery tray's a bit rotten. It's a plastic broken off it, off the case, which I can glue back. There's all the screws look like they're in there. So I've got my work cut out. I ain't even sure if it powers up or anything yet. So that's what I've got to do. Thank you very much for looking. Wish me luck.